Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Seat Leon 2.0 TSI Cupra 300 DSG, a high-performance hot hatch that blends aggressive styling with exhilarating power. Finished in mystery blue with a Half Leather-Alcantara interior, this Cupra stands out with its Maxton design body kit and aftermarket exhaust system for an enhanced driving experience. At the side, the 19-inch alloy wheels, red brake calipers, and aerodynamic body lines emphasize its track-inspired design. Electric folding mirrors add both style and convenience. At the rear, the tinted taillights, Maxton design rear diffuser, and upgraded exhaust system create a dynamic and powerful presence, while front and rear parking sensors ensure easy maneuvering. Powered by a 2.0-liter TSI turbocharged engine, this Cupra 300 delivers 296 bhp through its DSG automatic gearbox, providing lightning-fast gear shifts. The adaptive suspension and performance driving modes offer a thrilling driving experience, while cruise control ensures everyday comfort. At the front, the sharp LED headlights, black honeycomb, grille, and Maxton design front splitter give this Cupra an aggressive and sporty stance. Stepping inside, enjoy the digital cockpit, an intuitive infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and navigation. The seat sound system and ambient lighting add to the premium feel. A practical cargo area makes this high-performance hatchback perfect for daily use. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote, registration HK18DGU to book a test drive or request a video tour.